Hello, I am Dominic Cafone Jr., and I am a 17-year-old happy child.
I'm Lyle Hill IV. I'm a 17-year-old not so happy child, but I'll manage.
I'm Noah. I'm a prepubescent male.
Okay, and that's Eric. So, Noah, you want to get us started onto what HTTP is?
No, I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. So HTTP, it stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's primarily responsible for linking and browsing on the web.
Yeah.
It allows communication between web servers and web users. What does that mean? Well, I mean, more specifically, first we gotta establish that it's communication between a web client and a web page of a server. The web pages primarily being HTML documents or files. Oh yeah, and if you look on that little white bar when you look something up, it comes before the URL of the website. Cool, huh?
It's cool, man.
Yeah, very cool. So, for HTTP, there are numerical codes used in HTTP to refer to it as HTTP status codes, and are used to indicate the result of an action request given by the user. An example of this is when a person tries to enter a website, but it receives an error message, and like it gets you status code 404, page not found. But if you successfully reach a web page, extra HTTP is needed.
All right, thank you, Dr. Noah.
All right, nice. Onto HTTPS, which stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. God, it's freezing out
Page
here.
flip.
All right, well, usually when a website uses HTTPS, it means that your information is safe and secure. The computers use a code between each other which scrambles the messages. Therefore, no one can read it, which allows your information to be kept safe from hackers. And the code is on a secure socket layer, or SSL, so it can send information back and forth between computers.
HTTPS is especially important over insecure networks such as public Wi-Fi access points, because anyone on the same local network can discover sensitive information not protected by HTTPS. And additionally, a lot of free-to-use and paid WLAN networks engage in packet injection in order to serve their own ads on web pages. But this can be exploited in a lot of ways, like injecting malware into web pages and stealing users' private information.
All right, and DNS. This is the domain name system. It's a hierarchical, decentralized naming system for computers, services, or other resources connected to the internet or a private network. It associates various information with domain names assigned to each of the participating entities. Most prominently, it translates more readily memorized domain names to the numerical IP address needed for locating and identifying computer services and devices with the underlying network protocols. And by providing a worldwide service, the domain name system is essential for component functionality of the internet. It's been in use since 1985.
All right, nice. Thank you for joining us on this podcast today, and we'll see you in the next one.